Have you ever wondered how to make money on YouTube? It's a question many of us have pondered. This platform isn't just for sharing videos, it's a potential goldmine waiting to be tapped. The key to unlocking this wealth, understanding YouTube and its monetization policies. With a bit of knowledge and a dash of determination, you can transform your channel from a simple platform for sharing content into a revenue generator. Stay tuned to learn how to turn your YouTube channel into a money-making machine. The first step to making money on YouTube involves creating a YouTube channel. Now, this might sound like a no-brainer, but there's more to it than just clicking create. It's about crafting a space that's uniquely you. Start by thinking about what you love, what you're good at, or what you want to learn more about. This will form the basis of your niche, the core theme that all your content will revolve around. Remember, it's crucial to choose a niche that not only aligns with your personal interests, but also has the potential for monetization. Consider what kind of content people are hungry for and how you can deliver it in a way that's both entertaining and informative. Whether it's cooking tutorials, tech reviews, or DIY crafts, there's a world of opportunities out there. Remember, your channel is a reflection of your passion and creativity. So, let it shine brightly and authentically. This is your first step on the exciting journey to making money on YouTube. Once your channel is set up, the next step is to start creating consistent content. You see, consistency is the backbone of any successful YouTube channel. It's not just about uploading videos, but about regularly feeding your audience with content that resonates with them. Consistency, however, doesn't mean churning out content without thought. Each video should be a carefully crafted piece that brings value to your audience. The more value you provide, the more your viewers will anticipate your next upload. Regular uploading, like clockwork, can do wonders for your visibility. YouTube's algorithm favors channels that upload consistently. This means the more often you post, the more likely your videos are to be recommended to potential viewers. And remember, your subscriber count isn't just a number, it's a community of people who have chosen to follow your journey. Consistent content creation helps build and maintain this community. Consistency is key. Keep uploading and keep growing. A crucial part of making money on YouTube is building an audience. Now, you might be wondering, how do I go about doing that? Let's dive into some strategies. Firstly, promoting your channel on social media can be a game changer. Think Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and even TikTok. These platforms can be a goldmine for potential viewers. Share your videos, create engaging posts about your content, and don't hesitate to flaunt your unique personality. Remember, people connect with people, not just channels. Secondly, collaboration is key. Reach out to other YouTubers. Maybe you can guest star in their videos, or they can make an appearance in yours. This not only exposes you to their audience, but also diversifies your content. It's a win-win situation. Lastly, but certainly not least, engage with your viewers. Respond to their comments, ask for their opinions, and show them that you value their views. This builds a sense of community around your channel. And guess what? People love being part of a community. But here's a bonus tip. Be patient. Building an audience takes time. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. Keep creating, keep promoting, keep engaging, and the audience will come. Remember, every viewer counts. Every single viewer is a potential subscriber, a potential sharer, a potential commenter. And the more of these you have, the more your channel grows. The larger your audience, the higher your potential earnings. Now that you have an audience, it's time to start making money. And the good news is, YouTube provides multiple avenues for monetization. Today, we'll discuss 4 key options: ad revenue, channel memberships, the merchandise shelf, and YouTube premium revenue. First up is ad revenue. It's the most common way YouTubers make money, by allowing ads to be displayed on their videos. However, to be eligible for this, your channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. Once you meet these criteria, you can apply to join the YouTube Partner Program and start sharing in the revenue from the ads on your videos. Next, we have channel memberships. This feature allows your subscribers to pay a monthly fee for access to exclusive badges, new emojis, and other perks. To be eligible for channel memberships, your channel must have more than 30,000 subscribers. However, if you're in the gaming category, the threshold is just 1,000 subscribers. The third option is the merchandise shelf. This allows you to showcase your official branded merchandise right on your video page. To qualify for this feature, you need to have at least 10,000 subscribers. Once you're eligible, you can partner with one of YouTube's approved merchandise sites and start selling your products directly to your viewers. Finally, there's YouTube Premium revenue. If a YouTube Premium member watches your content, you get a share of their subscription fee. There's no specific eligibility requirement for this other than being part of the YouTube Partner Program. Every channel is unique, so what works best for you might not work for someone else. It's important to understand all the options available and choose the one that best fits your channel and your audience. Remember, the goal is not just to make money, but to create a sustainable revenue stream that allows you to continue producing content for your audience. Understanding YouTube's monetization options is essential for maximizing your earnings. Making money on YouTube is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with patience and consistency, it can become a significant source of income. Just like any venture, it requires time, effort, and a whole lot of perseverance. But the reward? A thriving channel that not only fuels your passion, but also fills your pocket. Let's take a quick walk down memory lane and revisit the steps we've discussed. We started with the creation of your YouTube channel, the foundation of your online journey. Remember, the channel should reflect your personality and the unique value you bring to the table. It's the first impression you make, and it should be a memorable one. Next, we highlighted the importance of consistent content creation. The key is to find your niche, something you're passionate about, and something your audience will find valuable. Consistency is king, and so is quality. So, make sure your content is not just regular, but engaging, informative, and of high quality. The third step was all about building an audience. In the vast universe of YouTube, your audience is your North Star. Keeping them engaged, listening to their feedback, and cultivating a community around your brand will help you grow and keep your viewers coming back for more. Then, we dived into the world of monetization. We learned about the various options YouTube offers: ad revenue, channel memberships, merch shelf, and YouTube Premium revenue. Understanding these options is crucial as it helps you strategize and maximize your income potential. But remember, it's not just about making money, it's about sharing your passion, your ideas, and connecting with people around the globe. It's about creating something you're proud of and building a community that supports and appreciates your efforts. And so, with a pinch of creativity, a dash of hard work, and a whole lot of patience, your YouTube channel can become more than just a platform for sharing videos. With the right approach, your YouTube channel can become more than just a hobby. It can become a lucrative business.